Hello, today on the traffic channel we got here called Traffic Stop, we're starting a new playlist and series for free lifetime banners. The good thing about these free lifetime banners is that once you upload the banner, then you don't have to do anything. You just wait around for the traffic to come. It's just going to come automatically. You don't have to do anything. Now there's a lot of gimmicks online about free this and free that, but these banners actually do give you free traffic. It's not a scam or anything like that. There's no tricks. It's true free lifetime banners. But I do recommend you upgrade for about $20 in this one. The first one here today is 100% clicks. And I recommend you upgrade in it for about $20, giving you more traffic. And by the way, a great part about the 100% click site, the reason why it's called 100% clicks is because on the first sell that someone makes, you get 100% commissions. Now you don't have to be elite VIP. For example, I'm a gold member. So you don't have to be an elite VIP or anything like that. That's pretty expensive. But you can get gold for, I think it's $20. So I recommend that because it gives you more traffic, and you can mail out more as well in the mailer. So for example, right now, I'll show you where the mailer, where I can mail out once every 2 days, I believe. This is just going to show you a couple of ads before you can use the mailer. But then it shows up, and I can mail out one time every 48 hours with this mailer, and it's because I have a gold account. Whereas if I had a free account, it would be something like once every 3 days or something like that. But regardless of what level you're at, you can get 100% commissions on a first sell made by one of your referrals. Now, this series here of videos coming up is about getting a free lifetime banner. I mean, you can get a lot more, but you want to make sure when you sign up, you at least get this free lifetime banner. Here's how you do it. Go to Setup Ads, and the redeem promo code is right here at the top. Now you may ask, okay, what about a lifetime banner? Does it actually give you traffic? Let me show you some. I have several. Look at all this. This is views of the banner and then clicks. So yes, it works. You get free lifetime traffic for these free lifetime banners. Now, as to how I got more than one, well, there's various different ways of getting extra traffic like this and extra banners. That's why you want to be subscribed to this channel so that you get on my new videos, which puts out all these promo codes when I find them. So today there's one, but you can see you may get a lot over time. But the one that I know is still active today, and by the way, I also recommend when you promote this site, go to Affiliate Tools and scroll down and go to, I don't remember if it's 12 or 20, maybe it's 20. Let's open up the 20. Here it is right here. So this is one of their splash pages for their affiliate program. And this is a good one to offer because people, they love to see that lifetime. That's why I'm making this series and the playlist, because people love to see lifetime banner. It doesn't actually say freer, but it is free. So here's the promo code right here. Now it won't work again, so I can't show you the exact process of me redeeming it because I've already done it, but it doesn't matter. Just do it right. 1 LFT BNR. Go right back to setup ads, and the redeem promo code is right here at the top of the page. So 1 LFT BNR. It'll say you already, in my case, it'll say you already redeemed it or something like that. You already used that promo code. Yes, because I already used it. And as you saw, I I'm getting traffic from these lifetime banner ads. So this video right here, you don't need anything else to at least get some traffic right away. This is a highly trafficked site that has something like 7,000 members. It's a lot. He doesn't release the exact amount, but it's about 7,000. It's somewhere, it may be mentioned somewhere where it's updated, but the last time I saw it was about 7,000 members on this particular site, so that's why I'm getting traffic on these banners, because it has thousands of members. Sometimes it does that. Site doesn't always work perfectly, but you know, it keeps everything in memory and so forth, so it's not a big deal. Sometimes it may be slow. That's just the way it works. Nothing online is perfect, right? Even the big social media sites sometimes go down. So, but I've always seen it keeps everything in memory, so you just come back later if it slows down like that. Okay, so this is your first free lifetime banner in this playlist series for 100% clicks. Look at the link in the description to sign up to this site if you don't have an account yet. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of sites that do this. So I'll give you another free lifetime banner in the next video. So thanks for tuning into this one. Check the link in the description to sign up. And then do 1 LFT BNR as your promo code for your free lifetime banner. Thanks.